Goldberg Brothers has a soft spot for innovation. We continually develop products to help your life go smoothly, like our latest breakthrough, introducing Soft Stop, a new soft close system from Goldberg Brothers. Soft Stop allows barn doors to gently slow down and stop while opening and closing. The kits are sold in pairs for smooth stopping on both ends of the track. Soft Stop is designed to easily install in under 10 minutes on existing or new Goldberg track systems. It simply slips behind the track over the lag bolts, so you don't have to remove existing hardware. Soft Stop won't affect the appearance of your barn door because the mechanism is completely hidden behind the track. It's made from durable, custom manufactured steel, not plastic like other systems. Find out more about Soft Stop for Goldberg Brothers barn door hardware at goldbergbarntrack.com.